So guys, we're back at the Santa Ana Trail. Actually going back to the Santa Ana Trail. We're about I think a mile or a couple miles up from where we had left off last time. This is my bike. We have the baby bike seat right here. It hooks on to the pole right here. So that's how we strap him in. He sits in the front right here. And then we have straps right here too to strap him in. This thing, it's on tight so it doesn't like fall. I got the new seats too, Cloud 9. It's a lot more comfy. It tells bike though, it's still the same. She got a new cup holder. That's pretty much it. She still has the same seats. I got my GoPro hooked on to the bike so I can record. His grandma got him a new helmet for his birthday. This boy, it's spoiled. This helmet goes with his Spider-Man bicycle, so yeah. So cool, you look so cool. So we're starting off at the Centennial Park. It's in Santa Ana, and it's about, I believe, about 2 to 3 miles up from where we left off at. And the trail entrance is like right here. Ooh, it's a little chilly right now.
What is up there?
Here we go, the start of the trail.
What is that?
What is what?
It's football. Are you football, Daddy?
Soccer. My son's looking at the soccer players right there. Well, technically he's right. It is football. Americans are the only one that calls it soccer. Oh, birdies. Everywhere. Birdies. Everywhere.
We're doing football.
So on this side, there are no waters. Where are the waters at?
Nothing.
The water's gone.
Hey, are we doing the water?
Yeah. Where are all the waters?
The water is gone. Echo.
You're cold? You want to put on your sweater? Okay.
I'm tired already.
I'm on pedal assist once and I'm pedaling. Pedal assist 1, I mean. He says he's cold, babe.
He's cold?
Yeah.
I didn't bring extra clothes for him.
I brought his sweater. I told you it's going to be cold. Man, we're going way too slow. We won't make it to the beach. We should do 2.
I think we're 7 miles away. I saw on the floor. It said mile 7.
Alright guys, so it's a little cold for him, so we had to go put on his sweater. Or jacket. Let me see. Cool. Alright, let's go back on. Watch out for my phone, okay? Alright, on our way to the beach. Oh wow, this is scary. And we're going under our first underpass right here.
I farted.
You farted?
Yes.
You farted under the underpass?
It's funny.
And we got a homeless guy right here. As long as they don't bother us, we're good. Homeless lady. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go on pedal assist 2 most of the time. The sun's about to set soon. It's like 6 o'clock right now. Mama take forever. Where's Mama at?
Mama's slow.
Mama's slow. You heard that? Mama is slow.
Yeah.
You guys stinky. It smells.
Ew, nasty, yucky.
Made another stop because he's really getting cold because we're getting closer to the beach. We're about 5 miles from the beach right now.
Yeah, we're gonna go down there right now.
It's us bumping up music. So I am still trying to figure out the camera angles, like what's best, like which camera angle is the best. So the videos might not be as good as I like it to be, but it will get better. But ooh, it's starting to get chilly. We're closer to the beach now. Hey, there's actually water in this floodplain, flood drains.
It's very scary.
It's scary, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're coming up on a bridge now. It's not the same bridge that we were at before. Too bad I didn't bring my drone because we can't record. But that's fine because I don't think I have time to be recording. But wow, look at the bridge. It's so cool. Alright. Oh, it looks scary. It's scary, baby.
Oh no, the water.
Oh wow. Boom, 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 boom. Uh-oh, boom, boom, ba-doom, boom.
Wow.
Boom, 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 boom.
It's gone.
Wow, this bridge is like making a lot of noise. Here we go. We made it! Yeah! I'm not sure if the Santa Ana River leads to the ocean. I gotta look that up. I think it does it? And that might be a dumb question, but I'll find out later. 6 miles in and my feels fine thanks to this Cloud 9 seat. On that previous Santa Ana trail ride, oh my god, my body was hurting. More e-bikes. But yeah, it was hurting. Like I think we had like a 17 mile trip, but it was hurting after like the first 4 miles. So I recommend that you guys upgrade the seats. Either the Cloud 9 or I think it's called the Bikeroo seats or something. Just something that works, because if you're gonna be on a bike trail, you definitely got to get a comfy seat. Itzel still has a stock seat, so she says it doesn't hurt her like too much. So, but I don't know. Like I actually would recommend the seat to her. Too bad like we can't switch seat poles because the step-thru is like a lot longer than the XP or the regular one. Alright guys, we are here. We are here. I don't know where here is. I don't know where we go. Oh, probably should have made a left. There goes the ocean. We made it. We made it.
This car's so many cars.
Oh yeah. Oh, so the Santa Ana River does lead to the ocean, but then like there's a dried spot where like there's no actual water, so we were supposed to make a left. You wanna go back the other way?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there are so many electrical bicycles. It's crazy. Oh, this is so nice riding on a beach trail right now. What do you think, baby? Do you like that? Ocean. Mama's gonna make a right. Right here. Oh wow, look at the ocean. This is a bike ride too, remember. This is epic. What do you think, baby? You having fun?
Yeah.
Do you like this?
Yeah, I was
You wanna go to the beach right now? You wanna go to the ocean?
the beach.
And that's where we're riding to. Pretty awesome. Alright guys, so 7.4 miles in. We made it. We made it to the ocean. There goes Itzel and baby Kalvin. Yeah, he's super cold right now. And here I am with my tank top. But he's wearing shorts though.
He's shivering and he keeps saying he wants to go to the beach. But he's like...
Our son loves the beach. Huh? You want to go to the beach? He's crazy.
We can bring you to the beach tomorrow.
Look at him. He's shaking.
Yeah.
Look at his leg. He has goosebumps. Wait.
Oh my god, feel his arms.
Daddy,
What?
no wiggle.
No wiggle?
No
I don't know
wiggle.
what he's saying.
No wiggle and no wiggle.
So he's vlogging right now.
Daddy,
Say, this is the e-bike right here.
a bike.
You see this little cut right here? I'm pretty sure someone had their bike locked up against the gate and they cut it. I'm telling you guys, get yourself an e-bike. If you want to go out on adventure rides like this, you'll discover trails that you've never discovered and places that you've never been to before. And it's so exciting. Do it, guys. What are you waiting for? Like, those guys are making videos, possibly for YouTube. Let me get through the fence, see? Probably some slow-mo shot. There goes the guy right there fishing. And that's his e-bike right here. Alright guys, after like a 45-minute break, we're gonna head back now. The sun's starting to set. It's getting cold. Next time we'll come a little bit earlier so that way we can actually ride the trail, the beach trail. Okay, let's go! See on the left side, beachgoers. If you make a left right here, that's the beach trail, the beach bicycle trail. But if you make a right here, that means we're going to be going back to the Santa Ana Trail and back to our car. Oh yeah, my son's watching YouTube on the phone. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's like right there. That's to keep him entertained. Watch out for the sands.
Yeah.
Whoa, the
Wow.
tunnel.
That's tunnel.
The tunnel. I've been on a motorcycle for about almost 10 years now. So this thing is literally almost like a motorcycle but slower. So it's not that scary. So far we've seen about like a whole bunch of Super 73s already. If I had a bigger car, I would get the Super 73. Or maybe I should just buy a bike rack and put it in the back of my car where the bike rack is at. One of the main reasons why we bought the electric bikes is because we can fold it, and our car is not that big. It's like a mid-size car. Both of our bikes can fit in them. So it's good enough for now until we get a bigger car and then until we get a bike rack.
Oh, that's fishy.
There's something jumping in the water right now. It'll stop me to go look at it. It stopped though. Come on. Come out. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. There's a sofa. Someone dumped a sofa in the Santa Ana River. Why would you do that?
Gone, Daddy?
Yeah. What a beautiful sunset. And there's the bridge on the left. All right, guys. So we're back at the Continental Park. Continental. Oh, whatever. I'll put the.
I don't even know where we're at, to be honest.
Yeah, oh, the Centennial Park. We're back at the Centennial Park. 15.6 mile ride. My bike was at 55% left, according to the voltage, the battery. So, all in all, that was a good ride. Now we're gonna head back home. We got like about a 29 mile ride home.
Batman.